This isn't common in all of the campgrounds that we've been into, but every once in a while you come across a tennis court or something like that. So we went to Walmart, grabbed some rackets that were like 10 bucks each. So for 40 bucks and a couple balls, we've got entertainment for a couple days. And the kids get lots of activity, so it's a really cheap activity, so it's really awesome when this type of thing works out. Okay, all packed up. We're heading down to Thousand Islands KOA, and we just realized that we had to leave in like half an hour or so. We've been packing like mad and getting everything put away, so I'm gonna hit the road, head down there for a couple days, and then it's gonna be down to our major spot that we were looking at staying at down Niagara. So all right, let's hit the road.
And we're off to Kingston now, to the Kingston KOA. So it's not a far drive, it's 2 hours or so, depending on which way to go, which we are going to decide that before we start pulling away, please.
Depends if we get lost or not.
No. No getting lost anymore. It's okay, kind of okay to get lost with just the truck in the city, but I don't want to get lost pulling the camper, please. This takes you onto the 401 if you go down there.
Oh, this does as well. It's just not as far, but there's a vehicle crash down here.
That doesn't... don't talk about that. Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklyn, Braeden, and Acacia. We love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.
Welcome to Kingston, Ontario.
So we're here in Kingston with our friends, and we're just out doing some random stuff, and they happen to want to check this place out, which is pretty, it's pretty, like, it looks very cool. It's a very beautiful spot, but
Crazy.
Kind of crazy, the history behind it.
Tell me that there are people who in this country were shipped here from other places.
They put them in here.
They put them here because they were so criminally insane, so they would put them in these places, and they would literally drug them and do crazy things, yeah, just to try to contain them.
The Rockwood Asylum for the Criminally Insane.
Yep.
We're walking around at night. The Rockwood Asylum for the Criminally Insane, or what was. It's no longer.
It's almost Halloween.
And it's almost Halloween. This could be our Halloween episode, but it's not.
Just kidding.
And they say that sometimes you can hear screams still coming from that top.
Right.
I don't know if you can see it with your camera, but I met the guy who was doing this.
Yeah.
And he was just finishing down here, and he just did an amazing job at capturing the history of Kingston.
Seems like anywhere that you walk in this park you can find birds or squirrels or whatever that are excited to take whatever seeds you have in your hands. Even sometimes when we're just walking along and you just hold your hand out like this, a bird will just swoop right in and pick her right out.
Oh, you can't be scared, guys. That's the one that came to Braeden.
Put your hand flat, Braeden.
Don't flinch, guys, or if you get scared.
That was my bad. I flinched because it came towards Braeden.
It's okay. It's weird.
Touch me. You did it? Yeah. Put your hand flat, Acacia.
Dude, what's up?
This lady that just stopped to talk to us, she said that the blue jays
We'll come down and grab us peanuts.
the blue jays have been like dive bombing to get the peanuts out of their hands.
Yep.
Huh.
You know what tree this is from?
An
So
elm?
none of us want to hold the
I
peanuts.
don't know what that is.
So we're at Lemoine Park today, and apparently, well, I've seen it, but we're trying to find some more birds because they'll actually come and eat right out of your hand. And I can't see any birds at the moment. I'm gonna find another group of birds and see if they'll land on our hands.
Don't land on me.
Just thinking about it.
It touched my hand. I took the peanut. Did you get that?
No, we're way over here.
I'm sorry. I had my hand way up and I had my eyes closed because I knew it was coming for me.
It's crazy if you guys like walk along like.
Nice. You got
Did
him.
it do it?
And he was recording it.
Oh, good. Do it again. Do it again.
He stole a peanut. He's gonna be busy for a bit.
Oh, he took a peanut?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, let's
No, it was a big one. Yeah,
Look at mine.
watch.
Right there,
Okay,
right?
No. Watch.
Hey.
It's like he went. Hold on, there's another one coming in.
He likes me.
He likes me. Okay, she's gonna try again.
It's a very good spot behind you, Carma.
Okay.
Right behind you on that Richard.
Richard, you are a bird hog.
Richard, make my shorts.
There's other shots.
Put your hand up.
I wanted to go to Acacia again.
And Carma has nice pants. Where'd you guys get your pants and your shorts? They look like the same
Which?
brand.
I bought those for Richard. Those were at Walmart on clearance for $7.
Oh
Oh,
my
those are
word.
really
They're
nice.
Wrangler brand, which isn't something that we
Wow.
seek out. These are from Mark's.
There you
They're a
go.
couple of years old.
Carma.
They're like good for hiking.
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah, I like those.
yeah, they have like a
oh, there's another one coming.
top.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
Hey, Acacia.
Yeah?
Come up here.
Yeah,
just
come stand.
slowly. And just come on up here and you start
Try
feeding.
again. Do you have a? Are they taking the peanuts? Oh, the last one didn't
No,
take a peanut.
they're taking the
Say to
little
Joe,
seeds. That's why
Don't
they're
get
trying
rid of them
to-
all on the
off.
goose.
So we went in and
No, we haven't done that yet.
There you go.
it's so
Oh, there you go.
You guys would be great
job.
at it because
Oh,
when you get back to the trailer, you can take pictures
Yeah.
of it and then just open your nature books and just
Yeah.
brush paint it and color
Yeah.
it. I love doing it with the kids.
We just did our sciences.
Touch his tail feathers.
You could take it down
My sister-in-law does that. She takes all the videos.
Rule that out, and if that doesn't
Pop, Brooklyn, take your hand away.
Sorry, I'll take your hand away.
Still wanted to go to you.
There's that guy who likes you.
I don't like him. He's got a long.
He hasn't. We
I
put
know.
one out.
Yeah.
I think he does it every Sunday.
Just
He hasn't.
Hold your hands.
So he hasn't. I don't think he's made the video for this.
Look at
yet, so-
look at that one on Acacia. It's just staring at her.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
He's so creepy.
It didn't even get anything. It just sat.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry.
Look how close I am. It's amazing.
One just flew between my legs.
Sweet.
Two birds that keep flying over my head.
Richard.
What is it?
Who's sap?
Oh.
He pretended to eat it.
I think some of the most exciting things that we do are completely unplanned, and none of this hike was planned at all. It's just like, hey, want to go here and see what's happening in this area? Let's go do it. And now we're walking through a random trail in the bush. It was always one of Karma's dreams to see Ontario in the fall with all the different leaves changing and everything. So this has been very awesome for her to be able to see all the different areas, because we're covering all of Ontario. We started right in Manitoba, all the way across to Ottawa. We just haven't gone up Highway 11 yet, and obviously there's a lot more to Ontario that we haven't seen yet, but we're gonna see as much of it as we can. It's gonna be a very good chunk by the time we're done. Tomorrow we're gonna pack up and head down to Niagara, and we're gonna be down there for a bit exploring that area. There's so much to see down there as well, and we're excited you guys are here to travel with us. I think this tree is holding on to dear life. Like, the only thing keeping any of this up is the fact that its roots are embedded in the side of this cliff. Hang in there, buddy. You're gonna be okay. Look at these trees growing out of the cliff there. Down on the water.
I just packed my fingers. Okay.
Did he pack them?
Yeah.
You didn't even eat anything, just packed them.
Somebody else put their arms around it.
See if all three of you can put your arms around and touch.
Here.
Isn't that huge?
Just like,
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, see if the kids.
People does it take? Go, City Joe.
Can you reach Braden's hand?
Go, 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 go,
Yeah.
go more. Go again, City Joe.
No, all four of you can reach around.
Yeah, nice.
I don't think three though.
No, it wasn't. You needed it before.
Is that a big maple tree or what is that?
No.
I don't know what that is. Oak?
No.
This one looks like. No, look at the leaves.
There's
Elm.
something dropping, something up there.
It's oak.
It's not oak.
No, this is not an oak tree. There is no. That is not attached to this tree. That is that tree. Oh.
I don't
It
think
is oak.
I don't think it's an oak tree.
If you look really high,
There's
it's
something-
shaped like this.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it's an oak tree.
Is it an oak tree?
It is. Yeah, it's an oak tree.
Mommy, look at that hole. It's full of
It is. Richard doesn't like to be wrong, but neither do I.
Mommy,
There's something being dropped.
Yeah. Who's doing that? Are you from?
No, it's from up above, I think.
Oaks don't do that. Oaks don't throw things at you. They're
The
nice.
guy that you threw.
back in the day,
Back in the day,
they sent the kids out from school.
they sent the kids out from school to pick milkweed, and they made parachute silk out of it.
Oh.
Is that
No
not cool?
way.
We learned that from Lemoine Point as we were exiting to go to our car the last time we were here.
Helicopter. Oh, yeah, another.
So amazing. They're so used to eating out of people's hands that they'll just come and eat while you're just sitting here. And now we've attracted some wild turkeys.
Where they're not.
Gotta get through Christmas and American Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's right.
Remember last year we lost Billy?
Yeah, last year we lost Billy.
You know, William goes by Billy. So it's always when
I
they're
love it.
making up funny stories, it's always Billy gets hurt,
Yeah.
and Billy this and Billy that.
Yeah.
Look at how metallic their feathers
Yeah.
are. Isn't that crazy?
No, they don't want the food. Oh my, no, shoot, I actually don't really like you, so go. not
like,
this
I'm
close.
offended.
Yeah, you can be offended. Go. 6 meters. Well, we saw lots of things, lots of wildlife. Very cool to hold out the seeds and have the birds eat from our hands. That was cool. I wasn't thinking it was gonna be so much of that. I thought it would be like, oh, it happened once or twice. But
Yeah, no, like everywhere.
everywhere all along.
It was so cool.
Yeah. I didn't like the snakes, but
And they don't eat out of your hand. As much as you try, they won't. Maybe if you gave them a finger.
ew. Very nice casual hike.
Yes, the trails are awesome. They're big and wide. Parking lots are nice. I don't see a bathroom out here though.
There was one in the middle of that
Oh, was there?
area. When
Oh,
we
there are
stopped-
some restrooms out here
It
somewhere.
was closed.
When, oh, was it closed? Oh.
Yeah,
When we
I had a
stopped to have our picture taken, then we saw that bathroom.